And fought for her client's rights. She was elected to the bench because she believes in doing the right thing.
I'm very passionate about helping people, period. Sometimes life pulls you from up here and down here to teach you a lesson. And you're in a valley right now. And there are lessons in this valley. I hope you learn from them.
Objective, independent justice.
You can always turn your life around. If you keep walking, you can overcome whatever circumstances you're facing.
This is Supreme Justice with Judge Karen. Benjamin Chamas is suing Kyle Thomas in the amount of $358. He says the defendant dumped a bucket of water and sand in his face, causing him to miss work. Mr. Thomas claims he didn't know there was sand in the bucket.
All right, Mr. Chamas,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
suing Mr. Thomas.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are you suing him for?
Well, I'm suing Cal because of the 4 days of work that I missed because of ice bucket challenge.
That he was willing to do, Your Honor.
Right.
And Your Honor,
Wait. How long have you known him?
Since we were 5 years old.
But you've known him since you were 5 years old. I can't believe y'all not close. Tell me about this challenge.
Well, the ice bucket challenge is all over the social media right now.
Oh, yeah?
Like celebrities
I haven't heard
doing
about it. You've heard about this?
I've done it myself, Your Honor.
Oh, yes? What is it?
You dump a cold water or cold bucket of water with ice over your head or you donate $100 to ALS charity. It's for
Okay.
ALS.
Okay, Lou Gehrig's disease. Do you even know what it is?
Yes, ma'am.
What's Lou Gehrig's disease?
Basically, it like numbs your body, and that's why people like throw ice on like for the ice bucket challenge.
Okay.
So they can like feel the same thing.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. So what do? You just walk up to somebody with a bucket of ice and say, I challenge you to pour this over yourself, or you give $100?
Actually, no, ma'am.
You say it. You challenge somebody that you want to see do that. So we all did it. Me, his brother Ryan, and him.
What happened then?
Well, this was a ice bucket challenge fail. We all had buckets, and he got one from, I guess, a garage or something, and it had sand in it. And he threw it
didn't know
on
it
me.
was dirty.
I had to go to work, first of all, and I told them that I didn't want to have nothing to do with this. I was trying to leave.
I thought you said you wanted to do the challenge.
That's exactly what
What
you
I
wanted
had-
to do.
Wait, excuse me. Didn't you just tell me you wanted to do the challenge?
I wanted to do the challenge,
Right.
ma'am,
But
but
you
I
had to
had
go
to
to
go to
work.
work, and they didn't even understand it.
It's supposed to be a fun thing going
But
on.
this was not fun. He took it out
You
of
know
hand.
anybody with Lou Gehrig's disease?
No, I don't, Your Honor.
So you're really doing it because everybody else is doing it.
No, I did it for the cause.
You
I
don't know
actually
much
looked
about
it
the
up.
cause.
But I
Tell
looked
me,
it up.
who was Lou Gehrig?
You don't know?
A
You
famous
don't know?
man?
Yeah. Okay, but you're saying I didn't agree to do it. Tell
Yes,
me what
ma'am.
he agreed.
This is what it is. We're on our phones. We
Right.
see a lot
You
of
see
stuff.
everybody else doing it.
So we just
Looks like
challenged it. It was
something
just-
that's fun.
It was just sporadic. We just did it.
Right.
Basically, I got peer pressure to do it because my
Right.
brothers
You said you didn't agree
and all
to do
them.
it.
So how would you
wait,
get
wait,
peer pressure?
excuse me. You said you didn't agree to do
I got
it.
peer
Now
pressure to
I
do it.
got peer pressure to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Which means you did agree to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
But what happened?
But he had a bucket, like he didn't even like look at it, I guess.
Didn't know.
And it had sand in it,
Right.
and it infected my eyes. And I also fell after he threw the water on me, so I had to get a back brace. And I have the doctor notes to like tell you
Let me
everything
see
that
what
is
you
true.
got there. I don't usually look at doctor notes, but let me see what you got.
You're just exaggerating, Your Honor. Like, it don't even make sense.
Right.
Why we
So
even here.
what's your defense to this? What's your defense?
My defense is that he was willingly ready to do the challenge.
Right.
Things happen.
Right.
So certain things.
Did he get hurt?
Yes.
Well, when I
In the file, I note that there was a video taken.
oh
Did nobody?
yeah, it's a video.
You submitted that video earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think I'm going to see it on the screen then.
Okay.
Little bitty, come on, man.
Stop calling me that. I gotta go to work. I can't do this.
You're wasting time. Come on, let's do it.
Can't do it. I can't.
Where's Ryan?
Right. Bring him out because he
Okay,
went
he's
through it
here.
first, so he should have the problem you had.
Is he here?
He's here.
Let me hear
Let's
from
bring him
Ryan
out.
Chamas. Court calls him.
This way, sir.
Okay, what's Lou Gehrig's disease?
A disease where you get numb from the top of your body to the bottom, from what I understand.
And who was Lou Gehrig?
I have no clue.
Right, I know. None of y'all know. So what do you know about this challenge?
We all agreed to do the challenge.
Uh-huh. Why were you doing it?
I did it because it was trending, really.
Because it was trending.
Yeah.
Okay. Finally, I got some honesty here today.
Coming up on Supreme Justice with Judge Karen.
He plays with toys, Your Honor.
He sure is trying to talk down on me a lot.
It's just
Well,
the
it
truth.
doesn't. I don't feel the brotherliness between
Exactly.
you, quite frankly. I don't
Exactly.
even. You sure this is your brother?
And later,
The fishes are flopping around. I'm trying to save all these fishies. I'm putting them in
Did you-
water puddles, my shoe. She comes in. She doesn't even offer to help. She just looks at me and runs out.
Right. I would have ran out too.
you're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen. We're back with the case of Benjamin Chamas, who is suing Kyle Thomas for personal injury and lost wages.
It was trending and it was a popular thing to
Yeah.
do. Okay,
And
now
it was hot.
Makes sense to me. Okay,
Right.
go ahead.
And we all agreed to do it, but came time for his turn, he wanted to make excuses about being late for work when he already agreed to do it in the first
Right,
place.
right.
And we just wanted to joke around. We wouldn't do it anyway. So we did it, and to me, it seemed like it was exaggerated that he fell and his eyes got infected.
Right.
He got
Well, Your
doctor's
Honor,
notes, but
we actually had an order that we were supposed to get in. I was supposed to go third, and he was supposed to go second.
Right.
So intentionally, that
You
tells
went from I didn't agree to yeah, I did agree, but I had to go to work. Oh well, then I was doing a social cause to now I was taken out of my order. And maybe if they had done it to me in the order that they said they would do it to me, I wouldn't have had these injuries.
No, if
Proof
he didn't
right there,
put
Your Honor.
like check the bucket.
So you're basically
probably-
saying that they should have checked the bucket.
Yes, ma'am. We had our own bucket.
Uh-huh.
So he's supposed to check his own bucket.
what does
Now
that have
you
to
got
do
a
with-
bucket.
I don't
Wait.
No, I
Now-
told you.
Yeah, yeah.
Now,
I told you they had
wait,
exactly.
we got a bucket. You got a bucket now.
I told you.
And you're just saying because he didn't check his bucket, that's how you got these injuries.
It was just unfortunate.
Right, it was
happened.
very unfortunate.
And it's
No,
no
it
reason to
was
be
a
here for
mistake
it.
that he did, and because
Right.
of that, I lost
And
money.
what I don't understand is this your brother and you're standing on this side.
Exactly.
That comes with an explanation.
What's that explanation?
This is really vengeful in my opinion. I feel like he's just jealous of me and his relationship.
So the relationship, you're not going to have a relationship with your brother?
I am, but it just seems he rebels when I want to actually get closer to him because he still thinks about how close me and Cal are. So
Right,
he's
but
hurting
you
his
and Cal
emotions.
seem real close.
Really close.
Yeah, we cool.
Nah, not
Real
that close.
close.
Yeah, we
Real cool. As he say, we cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
I need my money
What money?
that Cal owes me.
I'm not
For
paying
Oh,
the
you.
what
four
dirty
days.
Nobody
bucket
giving
thing
him
from
nothing
back
for
on
that.
that?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not paying you though. Like,
Okay, how often are
First of
you
all,
two
we-
together? How often are you two together?
Every day.
He plays with toys, Your Honor.
What do you
Maybe
mean
that's
he
what it
plays
is.
with toys?
He likes alone time. He's still young. He has a young mindset. He's not where me and him are at. He doesn't like to do
For him
older
to be
things.
my brother, he sure is trying to talk down on me a lot.
It's just
Well,
the
it
truth.
doesn't. I don't feel the brotherliness between
Exactly.
you, quite frankly. I don't
Exactly.
even. You sure this is your brother?
Probably not.
Because he doesn't feel like your brother to me
Probably
either.
not. He didn't say that.
I couldn't imagine my brother talking to me like that at all. I just couldn't even imagine it.
Exactly.
that's not
Honestly-
even the case.
So you just jumping in.
But y'all
it-
like my
it
brothers.
affects
Y'all like my
everything.
brothers though. But
that's my
But you
brother.
stay distant though. That's your problem.
Because of you, I don't even have nothing with him.
I love him like a brother, but he just doesn't act like one. And I might not be able to show it because when he rebels, I rebel. It's a domino effect. So I treat him how I get treated. So when I want to come out of my shell, he goes into his. It's a back and forth thing.
he don't even like doing nothing. Like
I'm ready to roll. Because we all agreed to the challenge. We all did. We all had a bucket. So before we all go fill it up with water, let's all check the bucket and make sure there's no rocks, razor blades,
we ain't gonna do that. We ain't
sand,
gonna do that no
mud, or anything in it. Let's make sure I'm not standing next to a tree. Okay, let's make sure there's not something on the ground I can stumble back. Okay, you had an obligation to protect yourself and you didn't.
Right.
All right, judgment for the defendant. Good luck.
Judge Karen has ruled in favor of the defendant. The plaintiff's claim is denied.
look, man, I didn't mean for all of this to happen, and I'm sorry you got hurt.
It's cool.
Okay.
And from this day forth, I apologize and I promise to be a better brother to you.
All right.
And later,
The fishes are flopping around. I'm trying to save all these fishies. I'm putting them in
Did you-
water puddles, my shoe. She comes in. She doesn't even offer to help. She just looks at me and runs out.
Right, I would have ran out too.
This has been a production of Entertainment Studios.